The ongoing war waged by the children of darkness seems to have reached a truly disturbing point. The Great Reset is a social tool with which the global elite intends to establish the new world order, intended to radically change the entire social, economical, political and religious system of the nations, promoted principally by the World Economic Forum, whose president is Klaus Schwab. Great Reset has been adopted by the United Nations with the name Agenda 2030. This global coup d'etat was carried out by a very powerful minority with practically inexhaustible economic means. The principal architects are the families of the high world of finance, like the Rothschilds, the Rockefellers, the Warburgs. There is the United Nations, the WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO, and the FAO. There are groups of power like the World Economic Forum, the Bilderberg Group, the Club di Roma, and obviously the Masonic lodges all over the world. Finally, the Catholic hierarchy is living through a moment of the most grave contradiction, because for 60 years now, it has been completely aligned in a progressive and globalist sense, and under the pontificate of Jorge Mario Bergoglio, it has made the ideology of the New World Order his own, proposing himself as a candidate for the presidency of the universal religion advocated by Freemasonry. The Argentine make no secret of his role as prophet of the New World Order.
L'Alto Comitato della Fratellanza Umana oggi ha indetto una giornata di preghiera, digiuno,